Panasonic microwave model NN-TK621SS error codes. Looking for a space-saving solution in your kitchen? Convert your Panasonic 1.2 cubic feet countertop microwave oven to a built-in model with the Panasonic NN-TK621SS 27 microwave trim kit. This microwave trim kit consists of the trim frame, an upper, lower, and rear duct that attaches to and encases the microwave inside the cabinet cutout opening to give your kitchen a stylish look. The Panasonic NN-TK621SS trim kit is designed for use only with the NN-TK621SS, NN-TK621SS, NN-TK621SR, NN-TK621SS, and NN-TK621HST Panasonic microwave oven models. For safety, unplug the microwave oven before attempting installation of the nitrogen mononitride TK621SS trim kit. Installation of this trim kit requires basic mechanical and electrical skills and may be completed by the DIY homeowner or kitchen cabinetry professional. Proper installation is the responsibility of the installer. The microwave oven must be used with a properly grounded 3-prong receptacle in compliance with the National Electrical Code, as well as any applicable local regulations. Also refer to the microwave oven operating instructions for other safety and electrical requirements. This trim kit is only compatible with Panasonic microwave ovens. Error codes. Code H99. Problem: inverter on-off control error. Code H98. Problem: magnetron no oscillation error. Code H97. Problem: inverter input error. Code H96. Problem: inverter custom IC error. Code H95. Problem: inverter input failure. Code H90. Problem: power down controlled by inverter thermistor. Code H44. Problem: keyboard switch failure. Code H39. Problem: steam heater thermistor failure. Code H32. Problem: magnetron thermistor failure. Code H30. Problem: oven thermistor failure. Code H02. Problem: memory IC error. It is able to show up both in test mode and cooking mode. Code H00. Problem: RAM failure. It is able to show up both in test mode and cooking mode. Code H20. Problem: steam heater open error. Code U14. Problem: no water during steam cooking. It is able to show up both in test mode and cooking mode. Code U40. Problem: no load operation. Code U65. Problem: power down controlled by magnetron thermistor.